Forget the pan. The perfect grilled cheese, it happens right here in the air fryer. All you gotta do is butter your bread on one side. Softened butter works best, or you can use mayo if that's your thing. Now flip that bread over and add your cheese to the non-buttered side. Now top it with your other piece of bread, butter side up. And I throw a little foil underneath because I know how much I like cheese and it's gonna go everywhere. Want to make yours a little fancy? Throw a couple slices of thinly sliced tomato or some slices of cooked bacon between your cheese layers. And into the air fryer it goes at 380 degrees for 8 minutes, flipping halfway. And look at that. The perfect grilled cheese, no pan required. I used American in mine. Let me know in the comments what cheese you used and where you're watching this video from. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check back next week for another easy air fryer win.